How to see hidden chats on Reddit. Let's get started. Launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head over to the chats page. Click on the chat option given at the bottom. Once you're over here, you're gonna find all the chats in this page. Now, first I'm gonna hide any of the chat. For that, you'll need to open the conversation, click on three dots given at the top right corner and select the option Hide Chat. Click on Hide. Once you hide the chat, now what you have to do is navigate to your home page. Now at the top, you're going to find this search icon. Click on that. Type in the username of the person whose chat you have just hide. Set it to people. Once the profile of the person appears, click on it. Now click on this message icon. With that, chat will appear. Now you can go ahead and type in any message and then send it. So this is how you can see hidden chats on Reddit. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.